Welcome to the 1 minute free traffic review. It's Carl here from financialfreedomacademics.com, and today again I'm very excited to show you this product, as I actually plan to show you something about this method on my own. I planned a course about it, and to do this because this traffic source is so cool and it's so targeted, and it's actually real buyer traffic, and it's so easy to get, and it's so powerful, and that's why I planned to make a course about that, or a video or whatever, a YouTube video. But now Matthew and John, they made a course, a really good course about how to get buyer traffic in minutes, and that's a thing I use in my own business, and it's very powerful. So make sure to watch this review to the end, as I will show you and give you my valuable bonuses, which works perfectly with 1 minute free traffic. So let's start. Very excited to show you this. That's the product. So it's about, as I said, it's about getting free traffic secret to make you actual money. And as you all know, having targeted traffic is the blood of every business, of every online business, and especially buyer traffic. So there's a lot of freebie traffic around, but some or most of the freebie traffic people, so people who get our guide for free and then they say, cool, but I don't want to buy anything, that's not that valuable as buyer traffic. Buyer people are the people who want to take action. That's a cool thing for two reasons. Actually, they buy your stuff, and it's cool to work with them because they are those people who actually take action, and they have an ambition to become financially free and everything. So it's always cool to work with buyer traffic, and this product will show you exactly how do you get buyer traffic for free in just 1 or 2 minutes a day. It's from Matthew and John. There are two brothers, and well, you can have a look on the sales page on your own. It's a very nice sales page with a lot of proof, and they actually tell you why you need the traffic, and I will show you why you need the traffic because I use it on my own. So let's have a look at, first of all, let's have a look at my bonuses, okay? And then I will show you their inside and their OTLs and everything. So last time I promoted something to you, or I showed you something, it's a few weeks ago, because I don't really like promoting that much, because I said to you that I really want to give you some value, and I don't want to promote you some crap. So last time I offered you my product as full license, right? So this means you get 100% throughout the whole funnel from Lazy Attractive Profits. And Lazy Attractive Profits was a very successful product. I think it has a conversion rate of, I think it was 17%. And imagine, almost every fifth people you send to this product will buy your product, and you get 100% off on the whole funnel. It means you get more than $100 per, or if you sell Lazy Attractive Profits and the hotels. So it's very cool. You have your own product you can sell, and with this you will save the one OTO, the license rights, as you have your own product already. So very nice product. I decided to offer it a few more times now because people love it. Then I will show you my guide, the building your buyers list guide. This will show you how to build your buyer list. As I said in the beginning, buyer list is the most important asset you can have in the online marketing industry. It's like your personal ATM, actually, because people, they're just so ambitionated to take action. The next bonus are the done for you lead magnets. So if you want to build your list, you want to have lead magnets, and I included my done-for-you lead magnets, so you don't have to buy them or create them on your own. Next one is how to write fail-proof headlines, as this is very important when you write articles. And the method 1 minute free traffic is about writing stuff. It's not, don't freak out, it's just you can get it in minutes, those articles, but sometimes it's good to write some stuff on your own, and I will show you how to buy, or how to, not to buy, how to write fail-proof headlines. And the last bonus is the conversion boost. So that's a proven strategy to increase the conversion boost. And as we all know, the second most important thing after the right traffic is the right conversion rate. So if you have a lot of traffic, but the product, your affiliate product or your own product doesn't convert, you can have millions of clicks, of highly targeted clicks, but you won't make any sales because you have a shit conversion rate. So make sure to check this out. It's a very good guide to increase your conversion rate as high as possible, which means to make as much money as possible. So that's my bonuses. I'm very proud of them actually, because they will really help you with 1 minute free traffic. So make sure to buy 1 minute free traffic through my link and get those bonuses. Now I want to show you the inside of 1 minute free traffic, and this product is really insane, because I'm not actually sure why they're making a course like that and selling it for like $12, because it's actually proven working and they can keep it for themselves, because why should they just give it away for a few bucks? I don't understand it, but it's not my decision. And yeah, that's the training. That's the first video is about the mindset. The second video is about how the system works. So it's actually about Quora. That's our ask and question answer platform, and you will use it for you to get this highly targeted traffic. And this is so powerful, you cannot imagine. That's probably one of the best traffic sources you will ever see, and it's free. That's some cool thing. You don't have to break even or anything. Any sale is pure profit, and that's so cool. Then you have, where does their traffic speed come from? Writing, or a secret, like writing a letter to a friend. Like, you should always, don't be salesy, always write as you write to a friend. How to write 150 words per minute. Why is this traffic free? Easy stuff. What is this almost magical platform? Yeah, Quora. Quora is insane. I really love it. How to sign up for your own Quora account. Easy stuff. How to maximize your Quora profile. And 1 minute free traffic following the right Q topics. What question to answer for maximum traffic and value. How to create real value at insanely fast speed. Secret number 5, the best of top secrets. How to sell on Quora without really selling. What to sell on Quora. I probably pronounced it the wrong way, sorry. Because I always say Quora, that's German, so I don't know how to pronounce it in English. And the quick affiliate system case study, 3 times fast fortune leverage system, and 3 times fast content freedom, 1 minute list secret, a lazy Q lender, finally, it's queue time. Your breakthrough, or it's actually just a summary, and here's the bonus, a filtering software, which is very useful because you will get faster results. Yeah, and that's basically it. And for me, if I will buy this, I got review exit and I use this method on my own, but if I will buy this method, I will probably pay around, I don't know, maybe like $100 because it's just way too cheap, because they're giving away so much value here, and I don't know why they do it, but it's not my problem. It's your advantage. You get this insane product and my bonuses, and I really want to show you their OTOs they offer. So the first OTO, 1 minute buyer clicks, contains 11 videos revealing their step-by-step process to show you exactly how to instantly attract new highly targeted buyer clicks for any offer you want to target. They have gotten 100,000 lucrative buyer clicks from this powerful source of pennies of what they are worth of use, and they share with you for the first time with complete instruction on how to filter winning sources step by step. You also get full instructions on how to scale up to get a nearly unlimited number of buyer clicks fast. It includes several bonuses to help you get as many sales as possible and help you build your own high value offers. So they have 3 bonuses: split testing conversion software, how to build your own high ticket offers. It's always good to build high ticket offers at one place in your online marketing career, because it's easier to sell, because you get way more money for one sale. And there's a niche profit checklist. So that's a very, very, very valuable OTO. I highly recommend to buy this OTO. And for the second OTO, it's 100% resale rights, but as I said, you can get, or as a bonus, I will give you 100% license rights on Lazy Attractive Profit. So in this case, I don't recommend this OTO because you can get my 100% license right of Lazy Attractive Profits for free in this case. Just buy this product through my link and get this insane bonus, so you can save yourself a lot of money, because I already give you your own product. But I recommend OTO 1 because you just crush it with OTO 1. So make sure to get it. They have a few down sales. They will take away a few bonuses, but it still works for you. So you can also get a down sale of the OTO number 1. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm very blown away of this offer because I used it before I really saw this product. So when it's working, and it's really, you can have your breakthrough very fast with this product. So make sure to get it if you want to crush it. You will get my bonuses, so you have another huge advantage. And yeah, if you have any question, just feel free to write me a message per email, on Facebook, or whatever. And that's it. So have a nice day. Take action always. All the best. Carl.